Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered how to look up the weather of a certain city? Here's a quick tutorial to help you. First, you can go to your search engine. You can type in weather and the city you want to look for. For example, I'm looking for the weather in Alvin, Texas. Oh, it's already up there, so I can just click it. Here, already show you the weather in Alvin, Texas. Right now it's 88 degrees Fahrenheit. If you click degrees Celsius, it will change to degrees Celsius. But usually for weather, we look at degrees Fahrenheit. It also gives you other information like precipitation, which means rains, sleet, hail, or snow. Right now it's 0% chance of rain. Humidity is how much water vapor is in the air. And right now it's 35%, pretty low in Texas. Wind speed is 9 miles per hour. This graph tells you about the temperature trend at different time right here. So at about 4 p.m., the temperature is about between 88 and 89 degrees. When it's 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it is about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Right here, it tells you the next few days' weather forecast. For example, tomorrow is Saturday. The highest temperature is going to be 92 degrees, and the lowest temperature is going to be 69 degrees Fahrenheit. And the weather is going to be sunny all week. If you want to know more about a certain thing, for example, what is the wind direction, you can click on wind, and it gives you the arrow to tell you the direction. When you read the arrow, you look at the tip, the end of the arrow. This is where the wind is from. So for example, right now, the wind is blowing from the northeast to this way. So the wind direction is northeast. If you want to know more about your weather, you can also scroll down a little more and go to weather.com or other weather websites. Let me click weather.com. And here is an even more detailed report about your weather. Usually I like to go to today because it gives you a very clear picture of what the weather is like right now. Right now again it's 88 degrees Fahrenheit. And the lowest temperature for today will be 69 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's sunny. That's your weather condition. If I want to know more, I can click on the highlighted one, and here you go, you can know more. We have 0% chance of precipitation. The wind is from the northeast at 9 miles per hour. And it feels like 88 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Humidity is 35%. It also tells you different things. For example, this one tells you the hourly weather at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 7 o'clock, and so forth for today. And if you scroll down, you can see more. You can also go to the top and see the weather for the next 10 days, or the weekend, or monthly weather. They're all here for you. Now, let's try to look for the weather in a different city. Let's say I want to see Las Vegas in Nevada. Oh, I spelled it wrong. There you go. Okay, and here is the weather for Las Vegas. And let me go to today's weather. Right now, they're at 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, it's hot. And their lowest temperature today is going to be 72 degrees Fahrenheit. And they're going to be sunny. But you see the symbol, that means it's windy also. Why? Look at their wind speed. It is 22 miles per hour from the south. The humidity is very low though, which is usual in Las Vegas. It is 6% only. It feels like 102 outside, and they had 0% chance of precipitation. You can look at any cities you want by typing into the search box. I hope this video will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.